He dash to school every day. A, go. B, goes. C, going. I dash my homework before dinner. A, finish. B, finished. C, had finished. The girl dash won the prize is my sister. A, which. B, who. C, whose. Dash you like some coffee? A, would. B, do. C, are. There dash a lot of people at the party. A, was. B, were. C, is. She dash already eaten before I arrived. A, has. B, had. C, have. The dog hid dash the table. A, in. B, under. C, on. They were tired dash they had walked a lot. A, because. B, but. C, although. She is dash honest woman. A, B, and. C, the. I'm looking forward to dash from you. A, hear. B, hearing. C, heard. He dash be at home now. A, must be, should. C, might. Which is a synonym of angry. A, furious. B, calm. C, happy. Neither of the books dash interesting. A, are. B, is. C, were. The train will arrive dash 5 o'clock. A, in. B, at. C, on. I saw him dash the road. A, cross. B, crossing. C, crossed. The room was clean dash the maid. A, by B, from C, to. She prefers juice dash soda. A, than B, over C, to. The film was dash boring. A, to B, very C, more. Let's stay here dash it stops raining. A, while B, until C, after. I'd rather dash at home. A, to stay B, stay C, staying. A piece of cake means, A, something easy, B, something tasty, C, something boring. Which sentence is correct? A, she can sings. B, she can sing. C, she can sing. We arrived late dash the traffic. A, because B, because of C, due. The plural of tooth is, A, tooths, B, teeth, C, toothing. He dashed in the park when it started raining. A, walked. B, was walking. C, walks. He looks dash in that suit. A, nice. B, nicely. C, nicest. Break the news means, A, say something loudly. B, announce something important. C, interrupt someone. She insisted that he dash attend the meeting. A, must. B, should. C, would. The cat is sleeping dash the couch. A, in. B, on. C, by. This bag is dash than that one. A, heavy. B, heaviest. C, heaviest. The baby dash crying all night. A. Keep. B. Keeps. C. Kept. He is the man dash car was stolen. A. Who. B. Whose. C. Whom. The book is divided dash 4 parts. A. Into. B. In. C. On. Which of the following is a preposition? A. And B. With C. What? The opposite of early is A. Later. B. Late. C. Latest. The police dash investigating the case. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. He would come if he dash time. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have. She sings dash than her sister. A. Good. B. Well. C. Better. Which word is an adverb? A. Bright. B. Brightly. C. Brighter. He jumped dash the wall. A. Over. B. On. C. At. The team dash playing well. A. Is. B. Are. C. Have. She was dashed to tears. A. Moved. B. Move. C. Moving. Let the cat out of the bag means A. Lose a pet. B. Reveal a secret. C. Run away. The correct spelling is A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. C. Accommodate. He said he dash tired. A. Was. B. Is. C. Were. The boys dash playing cricket. A is B, R C was. My shoes are different dash yours. A, then B, from C, to. He dash go to school last week. A, don't. B, didn't. C, doesn't. They decided dash the car. A, to sell. B, selling. C, sell white tick mark emoji, A. He enjoys dash puzzles. A, solve. B, solving. C, solved.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.